In this video, we're going to see how to set up a new academic year. This is basically done at the end of every academic year before you start the new year. Now, in this example on top screen, you can see that it is in the year 2021-22. Now, when we are reaching the end of the year, you need to set up the next academic year, which is 22-23. So how do you go about doing that? First thing is, there are a couple of steps involved in the whole process, but the first step in that is to create the year itself. And then subsequently, once you create the academic year, then you may have to do other things in the financial module where you may want to transfer the fee structure, then you have to go to the student module and transfer the students. There are subsequent steps. So here in this video, we're going to see the step 1, which is go to the master setup. Under the master setup, you go to the first option, which is this academic session. So here is where we create the academic session. Under this, you can go and click on create academic session. Now here you are already seeing a couple of academic years are present. Now you can click on create academic session for the next one. This opens the academic session creation window. Here we need to give the year, the starting of the academic year. So here we have 2022. Automatically it gives the end year here. So 2021 and 22 is existing already. So we are creating 2022, 2023. So just give the starting point. Then you have to give the date. So in this case, if you see at the bottom, you can see that the start date was 1st of February, end date was 31st of January. So now here the next start date will be 1st of February and the end date will be 31st Jan 2023. So you need to give a start and the end date. Now, after you have given the start and the end date, there are two check boxes over here. One is called show in parents login. Now, when you create it, only if you check mark the show in parents login, the parents will be able to see the new academic year. Now, in this example, when you normally log in to the system, either the staff member or the parents, they will automatically land in the top C, if you see the top corner, you can see 2021, 2022. Now here we land in this particular academic year because this is the latest academic year created. The next one is not yet created. But now when I'm creating this new year 22-23, and if I check mark this one, then automatically parents will be able to see this new academic year 2022-2023. And when they log in also, by default, they will land up in that particular new year. Now in this case, the new year is only starting on the 1st of February, which means right now in this example, we are on the 20th of December. And we have another 1.5 months to go before the new academic year starts for our school. Now, since we are creating this whole thing so much in advance, and then we should not check this check mark because the existing academic year is still continuing. So I don't want this to be visible to the parents. So at a later stage, you can always come back and check it. But let us say if we are already at the end of the year and the new year is going to start in the next, 2-3 days or something like that, then you can go ahead and check mark this one, show in parent login. Then automatically parents will also be able to access this new academic year. The second check mark is enable payment gateway in parent login. Now, only when you check mark this, the payment gateway will be enabled in the new academic year and they will be able to pay the fee for the new academic year. Otherwise, they will only be able to pay the fees for the old academic year. Just do this function of the date, the year, and check mark show in parents login and enable payment gateway in parent login. Once you've done that, click on create. Successfully created. So here automatically you see the new year is visible 2022-23 starting from 1st of February. Now since I've check marked the visibility to parent portal also, they also can see this particular new academic year. Close this and you'll be back into the main screen. This is the first step involved in creating the academic year. Thank you.